Mornings like this one are where the chaos of the food and beverage industry quiets, where people like Noelle LaForge
That's right. That's right.
serve the servers.
Really, I mean, they're nourishing the nation. And so for us to be able to be behind them, to be offering support so that they can get that work done, it's just really rewarding.
LaForge is the director of clinical services at DU. Today, they're launching their partnership with the Southern Smoke Foundation, offering counseling to food and beverage workers free of charge.
All of us, are prone to struggling at various times. Anxiety, depression, grief, loss, trauma, whatever the human condition brings. Working in food and beverage can bring additional stress. High-paced work environment, demanding schedules, and so on. So often that first step is the hardest to take, of reaching out and feeling like you deserve that sort of help. But that's what we're here to do.
LaForge says graduate student trainees under licensed supervision run the counseling sessions and give people access to care they might not otherwise be able to afford. According to data from the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, only 36% of hospitality workers had access to employee-provided health care in 2025.
Folks who work really hard, serving all of us, really deserve access to these types of services. Whether it feels like their problems are insurmountably large, or if they're kind of like, I'm not sure if this merits seeking help. We're here to see everyone.
LaForge says folks in Colorado can start applying for these services today. She hopes plenty do and see this opportunity as a foot in the door.
We want to be able to meet food and beverage workers where they're able to see us.
LaForge says any food and beverage worker that has been working for 6 months at about 30 hours per week here in Colorado qualifies. Those workers will be able to access 20 free sessions, and since schedules in the industry are all over the place, they are willing to do in-person, virtual, or even a combination of both. Sam and Steve.
It makes sense because it is such a high-stress job, but you also often don't have health care.
It's true. It's true. And, a lot of these jobs, you're, depending if you work like at a restaurant that's open till midnight or 2 a.m., you're up late. And, addiction, when I worked in nightclubs and also restaurants, Jaleesa, addiction was more normalized, drinking and drugs. And I'm not saying that's the case here, but I think this, of all the different professions out there, if it's not first responders, I think a lot of the food and beverage people definitely deserve to have these 20 free sessions. That's remarkable.
Absolutely. And I think about the consistency of work for them as well. A lot of these individuals are part-time, right? And so they don't know how many hours they're going to get. They don't know if they're going to be able to clear that rent check. So that's definitely an added stress. And what's cool about this program is that it's not just a full or 30 hours for just one restaurant. If you work at 3 or 4 places, as long as it's a total number of 30 hours, then you qualify for it.
Yeah, it makes sense. Jaleesa, thank you so much.